Hey guys, hope you're ready for a new review of the coolest gadgets you can buy right now. This time we'll show you how to create pro-level music easily, keep your feet warm in any weather, and turn physical differences into a superpower. Plus, you'll find out how to defeat spies with all their equipment. All the links to the products you'll find in the description. Let's go. Here's an unusual LED watch featuring simple and sleek design. It's classic and really up-to-date at the same time. There are two lines of LEDs. One stands for hours and the other one for minutes. The panel gets fairly bright and suits especially well for low-light environments. Setting the time is really easy with the buttons on the side. What's more, the stainless steel body plus the band with double open buckle adds some points to a premium look and exceptional durability. The curved design allows the watch to fit your hand comfortably. There are 3 color options to choose from: gold, silver, and black. Looks great. If you need a durable speaker that suits for outdoor use, take a look at this one. With its sturdy silicone case, the speaker is resistant to water, dust, and any weather conditions, including snow. Thanks to the integrated LEDs, the device will light up your way in the dark. The speaker delivers high-quality stereo sound with 5 watts output power. It also has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. The 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery allows up to a full day of playtime within 33 feet range. In addition, the speaker supports the latest Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity with all your devices. And you can easily attach the speaker to your backpack with the included carabiner clip. Travel with your music. Next up, we have a unique piece of tech for Star Trek fans. I guess you already know this is an authentic replica of the iconic Enterprise spaceship. The device is quite unique since it's a limited edition series, but the best part is that it really flies. The drone uses quadcopter technology with gyro stabilization. No need for special skills or training, you'll be a master pilot in no time. The 2.4 GHz remote controller is included in the package, as well as a display stand. It gives you a better position for takeoff. Your Enterprise will look even cooler in the air thanks to the integrated lights and sound effects. It also supports warp drive mode that's activated with a special button. That'll give you amazing speed. Why buy a new phone when you can make your own? It's really possible with this amazing DIY kit. Out of the box, you'll just get a whole bunch of details like the circuit board, little LCD screen, and GSM module, and you'll have to assemble the phone from scratch, practicing your soldering and engineering skills. But that's where the fun really begins. When the phone is ready, you can start filling it with your own apps and games. If you've never coded before, there's a special training program called Scratch, and then you can pass to Python and Arduino. The phone is fully functional, allowing calls, messages, multimedia content, and cool retro games. You can even plug in headphones. A worthy competition for your smartphone. The problem of hidden cams has become really dramatic in the last few years. One can be placed in a hotel room, dressing room, or bathroom. But now, with this new gadget, you can feel safe everywhere. It's equipped with 6 red LED strobe lights. As you activate the gadget and look through the viewfinder, every camera lens around you should blink back. It doesn't matter if the camera is on or off, or what type or size it is. The LEDs have 3 intensity levels suitable for different room sizes and surfaces. Moreover, the maximum range is 45 feet. Thanks to the pocketable size, you can take this thing with you everywhere you go. Spies are defeated. Forget about traditional card tricks. Here's a much more impressive and modern tool for novice magicians. Shaped as classic cards, these blocks are equipped with bright LED lights, so they look a million times cooler in the dark. And this design is also specifically adapted for easy learning. It's 10 times easier than using ordinary cards. You'll be given 30 simple and stunning tricks to start with, but the possibilities are endless. The cards come in either green or blue color. On top of that, this sleek charging base is included in the package. The cards are built to last using some durable plastic. Just press the button and activate them. Maybe you'll become one of the horsemen from Now You See Me. Meet an ultimate Beatmaker tool that'll suit both beginners and pro musicians. It allows maximum expression thanks to the 5D touch and the groundbreaking technology. It's really easy to use with smart and intuitive gestures that can even detect the pressure level. Moreover, the LED backlit surface provides your drums with clean visual effects. It goes without saying that everything is customizable. You can easily set the Lightpad surface for every project and reconfigure for launching clips, mixing, and adding effects. With the Pro-level desktop software, you'll get a large library with hundreds of sounds and patterns. The tool is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS as well as iOS devices. Plus, you can easily expand your workspace by adding another pad. The loop block gives you shortcuts to useful production techniques so you can build your tracks even faster. It smoothly attaches thanks to the magnetic design. Modern music requires modern tools. This is the first true smart way for anyone to play and learn music in minutes. Lumi Keys is the most portable Midi-Controller ever made. You won't need much space and you can play on the go. The special app will be your helping hand in learning and playing the songs you love. The library is impressive. Or customize the device and create your own tracks. There are hundreds of sounds, patterns, and effects. The keys are quite big, so you won't press the wrong note. The bright key technology gives additional visibility to the process. Not enough keys? Okay. Expand its number since it's a modular keyboard, or create your own working space using some additional stuff. Cool. Now, let's jump right into the future. This project gives us a hint of what future vehicles may look like. The main goal is to fit them into the natural environment. So this thing supports 3 different modes: vehicle, insect, and animal. It looks more like a crab, though. The gadget is equipped with 56 motors that provide fast and smooth movements. More importantly, the unusual construction allows this thing to climb stairs completely on its own, and also it's perfectly adapted for traveling on unpaved surfaces, which might make a big difference for preserving nature. It looks really encouraging. Smart and powerful bionic arms are no longer science fiction. Here's a great example of how the technology has developed recently. The arm is shaped specifically for every person using 3D scanning. The prosthesis is equipped with a comfortable and adjustable socket that makes it easy to put on and off. It supports 6 different grips suitable for various use cases. Also, the user gets really natural and intuitive feedback thanks to the haptic vibrations, beepers, and lights. All the movements, like either dropping a cube of sugar into a coffee cup or petting a dog, will be smooth and natural. As for strength, this hand can lift up to 17.64 pounds. It's light, comfortable, breathable, and suitable even for children over 8. Another cool feature is the swappable custom covers. For instance, this one is inspired by the Metal Gear Solid games. There are plenty of different designs for Star Wars and Marvel fans. From now on, your limb difference is your superpower. Whether you like fishing or hiking, if you work in cold environments, or just love having long winter walks, this product is a must-have. Your feet will never get cold again with these smart heated insoles. Connect them to your smartphone using a special app and choose any temperature between 68 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The insoles also feature an ergonomic design with a block heel system and arch supports that improve your blood flow. Perfectly suitable for your fitness activities, they can precisely collect your daily results, including the number of steps and burnt calories. What's more, they're lightweight and thin, so you can put them in any shoes you like. The USB charging cable is included in the box. The insoles last up to 8 hours on a single charge. No more reasons to dislike winter.